Welcome to Expert SEM. In this series of session, we are going to see various supply chain knowledge terms. In this particular session, we are going to see something called floor stock. These are stocks of inexpensive production parts held in the factory from which production workers can draw without requisition. You know, this is one of the inventory control techniques where you are going to make a categories of stock like ABC and C-class item which are inexpensive but used in a large volume in a production environment. So you need not store them in your storehouse and issue them based on the request. So normally in organization we store this item directly in the production environment and the operator can directly withdraw such stocks for using. This is to manage inventory better because these are low value items. Your focus should be more on high value items. This is where you are going to keep it inside the warehouse, and if it is really expensive item, you should have very tighter control. On the other hand, if these items are not expensive and they are used in a large volume, you can directly issue it to the shop floor, consume them in your system stock so that it becomes easier. Thanks for watching. Bye.